beautiful people. It is Mo the Pro, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's all about caring for the hair and the scalp holistically. Today I have a new client, and we are doing a scalp detox. We are scalp detoxing in hopes to increase the growth rate and get more hair on the head. She's suffering from some alopecia. She's got some hair loss, and it's in several spots and areas of the head, but I am confident that we'll be able to get some results from consistent care. So right now what I'm doing is going in to just look at the scalp, have a look at the follicles, see how many hairs are coming from each follicle, how spaced out they are, things of that nature. That'll tell me what's going on with her current growth rate. I noticed some things in editing this video, so I am redoing the voiceover. So this is the first video that I recorded in a while. At first I was trying to use my GoPro that attaches the phone to my chest. That did not work out. Then I put the phone on my ring stand, and it also kind of didn't work out because of the angles that I was using. So, and apparently I only recorded me detoxing one side of the head. So this will be a very short detox video, but it should still be a good detox video. So yes, right here I'm looking to see what's going on underneath the scalp, what's going on underneath the skin. I do believe that some of her follicles are blocked, and I believe that consistently detoxing will help to unblock some of those follicles. You see how in some areas it doesn't even look like she has buildup until we begin to scratch through the scalp, and we can see like, okay, there is some buildup there. I see some follicles where she's got 2 strands coming out. Some she had even more, you know, so I'm like, okay, she has pretty good density, but some of her follicles are very spaced out, and some of them are only growing 1 strand of hair from out of the follicle. So that tells me that she does have some slower growth rates going on in different areas of her scalp and her hair. So here we're just getting started on the detox. I'm gonna go from the front and work my way around. This will be a good way for you all to see what I do on myself and on clients. It's easier to see on clients though. We're gonna start with the hairline, and then we're gonna take small partings all around on each side until we complete. But again, I only recorded one side, so forgive that. I do apologize. I'll be playing some music in the background. I do know this client personally, and we hadn't seen each other in a while, so we was definitely doing a lot of chatting it up, and our conversation ain't none of y'all business. No, I'm just playing, but I will be playing music over it, and it's just a simple detox, you guys. I do apologize about the quality of the video and about the fact that it's going to be so short, but I hope that you enjoy it. She will be back next week, I believe, for her second session. So in that session, I will be working better I will be working to have better content for you guys, I'll say. She did kind of help me a little bit with learning and understanding my angles. She's also a content creator and a braider herself, so she was very helpful to me, and I'm praying that I'm also able to be helpful to her, and that her journey will be helpful to you all. Thank you for being here. Until next time, please do take care. Take care of yourselves, take care of others. Love on yourself and love on other people. It costs absolutely nothing to be kind, to be courteous, to be loving, to be thoughtful towards someone else. I'll see y'all soon. Peace. she taught me was that as a content creator, I have to learn my angles. And so as I'm editing this, I see that I'm in the way. I'm constantly having to chop stuff up because I see my hands is in the way, my body is in the way. I have the ring stand behind me. This is improper. This is not right. So next time I'm going to practice standing on the opposite side of the ring camera and then making sure that the camera is on the side that I'm working on, but just me trying to stand on the opposite side so that y'all can see without my hand being in the way, because I'm trying to view it as y'all gonna view it, and I would be frustrated if I hopped up on a video and the person's hand is in the way. Like, dang girl, get your dang on hand out the way. So I'm going to work on that. I'm gonna work on that, and I'm so sorry, y'all, because I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to like the content creating and the editing and stuff. Like, I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff, and I'm gonna learn how to get it to you in a better way. So forgive my angles, but I'm learning, and I believe that next time will be better. She should be back next week, so I should have something in the next coming weeks that has a better angle than this. Okay, back to the video.